He was very defiant both before and after his very rare appearance in court today. It was the first time in almost 8 years that the Italian Prime Minister has appeared in court. Before the appearance, he called up one of the channels of his Mediaset empire and said, as you reported, that these accusations are groundless and ridiculous and that he has never been involved in these charges on the acquisition of TV rights. Now, this case that was presented today is known as the media trade case, in which Mr. Berlusconi and 11 other people, including his son, have been accused of fraud and embezzlement in the acquisition of television rights for inflated prices. Mr. Berlusconi denied these accusations before the trial and the hearing today. And after the hearing, as he left the court building, he got out of his car and very defiantly and very confidently waved to his supporters and said he felt everything went well today and that he will be appearing at the next hearing on this case, which is scheduled for the 4th of April.
Now, just quickly, Seema, Berlusconi says he's the most persecuted man in history. Is he likely to wiggle out of this trial, or will he face justice this time?
Well, we'll have to see how it pans out. Today's hearing was a preliminary one. It lasted an hour and a half. The Prime Minister did not make a statement, and it was in a closed-door proceeding. And so we'll have to see how the following hearings go. Now, these are one of 3 corruption charges, corruption trials that the Prime Minister is facing. And, of course, there's a lot of anticipation ahead of the sensational trial that is set to begin next week, in which the Prime Minister has to defend himself against charges that he paid for sex with an underage prostitute and also used his position to try and cover up this alleged crime. Again, on this charge, the Prime Minister has denied and claimed his innocence, and we'll have to see how it works out because, of course, in the past he's been involved in several trials but has always managed to be acquitted, or if the charges have passed their statute of limitations. So we'll have to wait and see how this one works.